Hi, this is Glenn with A1 Tuckpointing. We're working on a historic masonry restoration here, and this is what we've put in, is this historic lime mortar putty. This is improperly tuck pointed masonry here with the Portland in it. That's the difference. You don't want this with somebody else's work. You don't want that gray look. So we're going to take that out, put the lime putty, much like we did around in these other areas. This is something I did last week and through here, and it's a different process. It's something that we specialize in so that it matches instead of like that. It would look more like the original from 1870. That's some in the progress. That's some old repairs that weren't ours. How's it going? It's very tedious.